Welcome at a new episode on my fischertechnik hydraulic set, which I changed by making this with worm gear, so to speak, and two sensors. And although this doesn't really stick, as I notice, with the Diagnostics software it proved to work, but of course it has to also work with the program. So when I use the manual bit, you can clearly see that it does work. With this one it does work too, but I have to engage the program, and I didn't test it yet. Another problem that I encounter is that, oops, sorry for shaking the camera, is that this plate, different than this plate, is giving in when it all comes together. So I want to make here a connection and see if that helps. So let's first try to get the software working. So now with everything on screen, the program set to run, sensors, diagnostic interface not activated, but let's see whatever this brings. So let's go and then see. Okay, let me put it here because I don't use the diagnostics. Ready to cancel immediately. Bad motor number. Why is it a bad motor number? I have it right here on motor number 1. So let me put it here again then. Open interface. There's only one interface, so that's no problem. And that just works. Okay, which is motor number 1. Close interface. This is the first motor it encounters. So why is it then a bad motor number anyway? Okay, try again. Wait, let me see this properly. Okay, camera a little bit behind, and mind this. And I have a little bit different view, so let me do it in a different way. Taking the camera in my hand, then you'll have a view that I have. I can't be that stable in my hand, but let's try it anyway. So, see, it does work. Wait, I should add some conditions. Now I notice why. Because here I only have digital is 1, not if it is 0. What should it do if it is 0? Okay, let me put the camera like this, resting my hand. and then like this, so you see the piston move. What happened there? Yeah, and the piston behind moves as well. That is certainly working. Now it comes close to the lower sensor. No, not that one. This one. Okay, so now it is, so now digital 2 is 1, now it should go up, which it doesn't do. Nope, that's a problem. So, oh, that is why. This is sensor, then this is sensor 1, but I don't have anything print. So let me change try to change the code so I see something on screen which is which. That's a good point. Alright, so now I have changed the code a bit with printing, and I realize that I have to invoke Python 2 especially, otherwise it will not work. So invalid syntax, no kidding. Why does it do that to me? Okay, now it does work, and it says both are 1. Both are 1. That means that I have a wrong wiring in here, but that doesn't make sense. So if this is 1, let me release the sensor. Okay, sensor released. So this is input 1. And then this is input 2. Now let's see what is up and what is down. So to the right is down, and that is for input 1. It's 1 and 2. But which direction? That is the big issue. That is towards 1. Okay, let me put it. Dit is, yeah, under. No, I have to do it different, because this is not C, this is Python, and that means this is up. So if I go down, I have to go the right way, which doesn't make sense. if they are both 0, it has to go some way. So let me put this one here. Go anyway. Now it should go anyway, whichever way it will be. Close the interface. The wiring is okay. Go. Where does it go? It goes down. And then it says, which is impossible, digital 2 is 1. Is digital 2 indeed 1? Not really. So how can that be? Oh wait, I have a problem here. Oops. That actually means that I can delete this one, because I have 2 zeros here and 2 ones here, and they can be both 0, but they can't be both 1. So, once again, digital 1 is 1, yes, that's good. Oh, I forgot to sleep. It goes here and then it sleeps. I have to, that's the point, my mistake, disable this one and then it stops. Okay. It was doing this one. Wrong. So let's try again. First putting it up, going up, okay, that's far enough. Close, go. And it immediately stops. And it goes down. Okay, so I have to add sleep 1, and here as well, sleep 1. Go. And sleep 1. Still not satisfactory. Okay, but now should it go up? Now it should go up. So I'm almost at the end of this or through time, but let's see whatever it does. No, that's not good. That's no good. So I have to take care of the direction the motor goes, which is currently not good. So I probably have to make R into L and L into R. But well, let's see how that ends up. Right, I changed the direction of the motor. So let's see whatever happens now. Now it goes up. Okay, so actually that doesn't matter. Just it should continue running, and it doesn't do that yet. And by the way, if you look at the back piston, it doesn't move that easily. Okay, they are both 0 again. Now digital 2 becomes 1. Oh, that's a nice one. As soon as it becomes 1, then it goes the other way. Okay, I have to make conditions, because now it keeps. Okay, let's see it like this. So it releases the sensor right here, and it goes up again. So direction is wrong, conditions have to be manipulated. And then this back sensor piston is kind of okay, but lacks fluid. Not enough fluid in here as well. And well, it kind of works, but I'm not satisfied yet. Oops. Alright, with some code changes and testing that the wiring is okay, but I have not enough water, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion, much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter, and please support my blog by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. You can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. Please take a look at my website, which is noted under this video, and you can also wait for the next segment, which has all information as well. This is going to be continued. Have a nice day, and bye bye.